This is pretty amazing.
It's really, really nice. I mean, look at this, the nature.
Wow.
The beach, as I told you about. Amazing, nice beach, and sauna as well. It's going to be really hot in there, but wow, amazing.
This could be like in a Pacific island.
It could be.
Somewhere. Sauna can be anything. It's basically a reset. It's a cleansing, starting anew. It's like the reboot button.
It's kind of like a spiritual thing as well. It's not that often anymore that you gather around something. Like back in the days, you gather around the fire pit and so on. And the only thing when people gather around it now is for eating food and sauna, of course. And you never talk to strangers, but like in the sauna, you talk to strangers because like everyone is on the same level.
Yeah, and everybody's naked. It's a thing that kind of brings everyone together.